So this is how the interface looks like. As you can see down here, we're having the devices. When you bring your cursor on each of the devices, it just shows you the names of network devices, end devices, components, connections, all these other kinds of devices. These ones you're seeing here, these are now the routers. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you just how to connect different pieces using switch. How to get up that point. So what we do, we shall pick our devices from here and devices. When you click on it, you see different type of end devices of PC, laptop, server. So I say you want this PC. Then when you click here, it comes. Cancel. I want to pick laptop. Guys, don't mind about that. Then another PC, somewhere here. The interface is very easy. You can drag and place the devices where you want it to be. So now we want to get a switch which can now connect these three devices so that they can communicate with each other while sharing the information. So what you do, come down here, we are looking for the component of devices, under network devices we have switches, hubs, wireless devices. The reason why I'm choosing switch but not hub, I will explain that in another next video. So for now, let's just go. When I click on switch, it gives me different type of switches with different number of the ports. So I have this switch, can also pick this switch. As you can see, the name is appearing down here. So let me pick this switch PT and I press it here. The point. Now, this is my switch. This switch is going to connect these three devices together. Now, we need now connectors. So basically, we are going to use now the connectors, which are the wires. We are having different type of wires here. Automatic, console, copper straight through, copper crossover. But for this video, I'm just going to use copper straight through. The reason why I'm using copper straight through is because I'm connecting PC and switch, which are of the types. But if I was to connect the PC to PC, I was going to use crossover. So that's the difference between straight through and crossover. Crossover is used to connect devices of the same type, while straight through is used to connect devices of different type. So I will pick my straight through and I come to PC1. I'm using fast Ethernet 0. That's the port I'm using, not USB, because I'm not connecting using USB cable. Then I come to switch and the same. Repeat the fast Ethernet 01. Perfect. It is connected. I do the same to this PC2. I do the same because the other 01 was taken. Now I'm on 11. I do the same for laptop. Our devices are all connected. As you can see, this green light means it is well connected, but it cannot transfer the data because we need to configure these laptops. Configuring is to set it up, giving it address which other devices can use to send the data. So we start with PC1. We are going to give it the address, that is IP address. So when I click on that PC0, this dialog box pops up. Let me extend it here so that you can see it very well. So what I'm going to do, I come to the interface which I'm using of it. The interface is here 0, and I'm using static for this demonstration, and the interface is this one here. So let me configure it IP address. Let me give it my IP address. Now we can say we give it this IP address. So The IP address we have given it is 192.168.0.1. The IP address must have 4 octets. I will also explain what the octet is in another video. But for now, understand that it should have 4 octets. This octet which we are talking about is this digits separated by the dots. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is on. That's all. It means our PC0 can receive a data from another PC. You come to another PC1, you double click. The same thing you do here. The interface is this. Since they're in the same network, we shall use the same network address. But this time, this PC is in 0.2. It's also on. Perfect. We do the same for the laptop. Since it's also in the same network, we give it the same network address. But now the device address is what it was. So this one simply means laptop can send data to PC1. It can also do the same to PC0 by giving it that specific address. How can we confirm that? Let's start by confirming it from our laptop. Remember, the address of PC0 was 19.168.0.1. So double click. Now you come to desktop. From desktop, you come to command prompt. Then you type this command with me. Say ping. You now ping the address of the PC0. Then you press enter. As you can see, we have sent 4 packets. We have sent 4 packets and it has reached the PC0. So the statistics is showing packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. So loss percentage is 0. So that's how you can know that your information has reached where you want to send it. As simple as that. That's how we configure our PC using a packet tracer. So other people they call it CISCO Packet Tracer because it was developed by CISCO company. And basically, this tool is used to simulate data, to simulate how network is working. It's just a simulation of a network. Before you put it into a physical devices, can it run when you're simulating it using a tool like CISCO Packet Tracer? As simple as that. So this is a basic way of doing it. Regarding other configuration in the same tool, I will have to make more other videos so that we can dig deeper into it. Thank you.